Szanowni Państwo, w branży meblarskiej, w produkcji drzewnej wiele wysiłków wkłada się w to, by zaprojektować produkt, który będzie jednocześnie unikalny, będzie wyróżniał się na rynku, ale także taki, który zyska uznanie w oczach klientów, bo to przecież oni ostatecznie decydują o tym, czy ten produkt nabędą. Firma HOMAG, która jest światowym liderem w produkcji urządzeń dla przemysłu meblarskiego, takie wysiłki podejmuje od ponad 60 lat i właśnie o tym chciałbym teraz porozmawiać z naszym gościem, którym jest pan Daniel Schmitt, CEO HOMAG Group. Hello.
Nice to be here.
I would like to ask you one question. What is the role model to be the number one in the industry? What is the universal recipe, if there is one, to be number one, to have a pole position?
Well, at the end of the day, the customer decides who is the number one. So if you as an organization manage to drive constant value to the customer, if you manage to help them being successful, and if you drive innovation, if you are consistently there with servicing the customer, then you have a chance of becoming the number one.
So there is one universal recipe, being constant, being positive,
Yeah.
being right on time.
Being reliable, being there when the customer needs you, and drive trends, drive innovation.
Okay, this year HOMAG Poland celebrates its 25th anniversary. We got this in our logo as well. Furthermore, the company continues to grow. The construction of the new HOMAG factory at Środa Wielkopolska will commence in a few months. What significance does this investment have for the further development of the HOMAG Group?
Well, HOMAG Polska is very important for the group in two respects. First of all, there is the Polish market. So we have a lot of very important customers in the country, and we keep growing. So this is on the selling side very important to us. But furthermore, we have a big manufacturing plant here in Poland. It has been growing over many years now, and the significance has become more and more important actually for the whole group. And hence we are doing that new investment. It's going to be right now the single most important investment that we are doing in the group, and we are starting later on this year with the establishment of a new factory and a showroom.
We're keeping the fingers crossed. Thank you very much for your time. Panie i panowie, naszym i państwa gościem był pan Daniel Schmitt, CEO HOMAG Group.